Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to ZTE A73. Start by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When your apps are ready, open them. Then, to set them up, click on the same options in both. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or hit OK right away. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of ZTE. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, just pick all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times and then access your files. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive, which is now Download after a word add. In order to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access after closing an ad. And point your ZTE's camera at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, after a while, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!